Hello, today I'm going to go through saving, loading, clearing save data in your games. There's already an excellent explanation on the arena. The program, the code I'm using is by Piano Fire. The code is just there. It already documents on how to use this code, which is brilliant. I just thought I'd ease people more into its usage by doing a video. Hopefully it's short and it's helpful. So if you start off and download this code here, and once you run the program, it'll come up with this basically. And now I'm just going to show you how to implement it into a program basically. So first of all, I'll just take that one out. Alright, so download the program. You need these functions here. And paste these at the bottom of your program. There. Alright, and now with that I've just set up two sprites and a loop and some controls. So at the moment I can just move my sprite to the right, but detect sprite collision. Just going to check that the collision's working. Yep. So once you've got those functions into your program, put store data at the top here, and then say your first variable you want to save would be a score. So then use the set value here. And then again, the get value here. On here, I've just put, when I press A, it'll increment the score by 1. It's just for testing. If I press B, this is to clear any saves. So if I press B, it'll return the score back to 0. But in the once the player reaches the computer and I press A, it will set the value and it will save the store to file. So now if I keep pressing A, go over to the computer, press A, it should now save it, which it has. And then if I press B, it will clear it, come back out, 0. Again, save, saved, clear. I've also put Dave's file, a menu file system, which you could implement the save. So it might not be a sprite collision, it might be a menu. So you could put this into a menu. I'm now also going to demonstrate using a string. So say if you want to name a character in your game, it would be able to save it. So here, the reason I've put name input true and then name input false, because else it would ask for my name, I'd press enter, then it would just keep asking for my name. So basically I read it as true, and then if it's false, which it is once I press the button, it will break out of the input loop. So up here, it's 2 new ones. Because true and false, it's still a number, so it's inked. Because name's a string, letters, put string there. And of course I need these 2. And we'll go down. So to clear it, set name back to 0, name input back to true. When I save it, there. When I save it, I want it to go false, because else it would just keep asking for my name every time I run the program. I only want it to do it if I've cleared it, or if it's the first time running it. And then want it to print. So it's going to ask me my name. Enter. And I'm going to go over and save it. Come out the program. It's not going to ask me for my name, it's already got my name. And then I can clear it. And of course it will go back to false, and it's going to ask me for my name. Go back over, save. It's stored my name and my score. And obviously you can stretch that over many variables and strings as well, which is why I've added the Dave's there, just to help you with that. I have started a program using it. So basically I'm going to pass all these variables. With this I've got 3 companions, and I've just listed a bunch of variables for each one. So there, if I press A to restart, it's going to clear everything. It's going to ask me for my name. And then start the game. Head over to a town. Save. Now that's saved, it saved my name and everything. So now if I go back into the game, X to continue, it's saved my name. Plus I'm going to expand that to the money, the fangs and the fame, the experience and the health as well. And then if I find other party members, then they become, I haven't set that up yet, but if I just set these to true, and I've got another party member. Then I've got all the party members. This is going to be a turn-based RPG basically. Miracle Warriors basically, but my own story and everything like that. I've also added a pause menu, but then I've drawn the map at different size. So once I've finished the map, you'll be able to see the whole map. And I've also done the same in towns as well, but that displays it at a different scale basically, and it tracks the player when in a town basically. So that's that. I hope it's been helpful. Feel free to leave any comments or anything else you want me to try and cover. My knowledge base is still quite low, but I'd just like to help try to ease people into new things, or may seem a bit out of their reach. I hope that helps. Thank you.